He is exceptionally good officer. Always stood for the principles and honesty. Wherever he has worked, he tried his level best to serve the society. Even as mentioned, even at the time of an agitation, the farmers' agitation, there was a demand to use the force on the farmers by the government, the then government. But still, he didn't do that. He stood with the farmers and he's choosing the path of solving the issue. So he is that kind of an officer. He served even Ra. He served in various other districts. He got president medals. That shows that all the time he's exceptionally good officer. But unfortunately, good officers, honest officers, non-corrupt officers are not having the place, it seems. And he was so good, all along his life as an officer. He strived for the justice, which he couldn't get, and finally he was forced to give away his life. And while giving his life, he has mentioned the names also who are root cause for that. But at least I expect, if not, when he was alive, he couldn't get a justice. After his death, at least he'll get the justice for his body and good, the last journey.
Yeah, so he accused the main accused like SP Rohtak and DGP. SP Rohtak already removed, and they wanted that DGP get arrested. But the police said that firstly postmortem will be done, then an investigation underway. So it's like when investigation are open, and then it will be like okay to be arrest or whatever.
See, generally a dying declaration. Basing on that, immediately FIR is taken and the action also will be initiated. Even after 7 days, no action has been initiated against the person to whom he has mentioned in his dying declaration. Is this justice? Let them do it,